Hello friends, welcome back to Mithun Diaries. Today's video is very important for anyone who owns a two-wheeler or a car in India. If you have ever received an SMS saying e-Challan pending, click this link to pay. Please stop and watch this video till the end. Recently, I received an SMS on my phone claiming that there is an unpaid e-Challan on my vehicle. The shocking part? The message mentioned my exact vehicle number and asked me to click a link and install an app to pay the fine. That link was an APK file, not a website. If you ever receive an SMS saying resolve your e-Challan now with a link, don't click it immediately. In this video, I will show you exactly how I verified the URL, decoded where it leads, and proved it's a fake e-Challan APK scam step by step. Many people believe the message asks my vehicle number, so it must be genuine. That's exactly how scammers trap people. Let me show you how anyone can verify such links safely without getting scammed. First rule, never tap the link directly on your phone. I copy the link only. In my case, it was a shortened URL. Short links are used to hide the real destination. The next step would be to open urlscan.io. I pasted the URL and clicked on public scan. Verify the CAPTCHA. This is a public website used by security professionals to analyze suspicious URLs. It opens the link in a controlled sandbox, not on your device. Now, URL scan is loading the page safely and recording everything the website tries to do. This is the important part in the decoded results. Look here, the original link does not stay on the same site. It redirects to another domain. Government websites do not redirect to multiple domains. Now observe the domain carefully. This is not an official government domain. It is hosted on a free or shared hosting platform which real government portals never use. When you closely observe, you see something called wp-admin. This tells us it's a WordPress website, likely compromised. Government portals do not host files inside WordPress admin folders. So if you scroll a little down to the download section, you see APK download detected. Now this is the most dangerous part. The website is trying to download an APK file named like an official transport app. Here we see there are two IP addresses. One is from the Cloudflare and one more is from the hosted or Oracle infra. I have opened What's My IP and I have searched for one of the IP addresses 162.241.217.75. This is the real origin server, hosted in shared hosting. Infrastructure belongs to Oracle. The reseller says Unified Layer or Bluehost. Typical environment for cheap websites, compromised WordPress sites, and malware hosting. This is where the APK file is actually stored. Let's search the other IP address 104.17.112.233. This is an IP address from the Cloudflare. So what this tells us? This IP belongs to Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a reverse proxy or CDN. It hides the real server IP used by both legitimate websites and scammers. The most important thing is that this is not the scammer's real server, it is a shield in front of it. When we see known proxy as S and proxy type as DCH, it means the real hosting server is intentionally hidden. This is a classic scam setup. Cloudflare IP acts as a protective mask. Real server IP or from Bluehost hosts the malicious APK file. This makes tracking harder, automatic blocking slower, scams live longer. If you want to address the IP address behind the website, first this IP belongs to Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a production service that hides the real server's identity. Scammers use Cloudflare so their actual hosting location is not visible immediately. The other IP is the real origin server. It's hosted on shared hosting infrastructure commonly used in WordPress websites. This is where the fake APK file is actually stored. Seeing a US IP does not mean the scammer is in the US. It only means the scammer is renting or abusing infrastructure from international providers. The real operators could be anywhere. So remember, Cloudflare hides the scam, shared hosting delivers the malware. Two IPs mean one thing, this scam is professionally designed to avoid detection. So you might be thinking why this is a scam. Friends, please understand one important thing very clearly. No legitimate government or traffic authority will ever ask you to install an APK file through SMS or WhatsApp. This is a well-planned scam. These fake apps can read your SMS, steal OTPs, access UPI and banking apps, drain your money without you even realizing it. How do scammers get our details? Many people ask me, how do they know our vehicle number and phone number? In most cases, scammers don't hack phones directly. They use public or semi-public databases, data leaked by third-party service providers, old leaked data that keeps circulating. Once your number is linked to a vehicle somewhere, it can be misused. How to identify a fake e-Challan message? It is most likely a scam. If it asks you to install an app, if it has a shortened or unknown link, if it creates urgency like pay immediately, if it comes from a random mobile number. Remember, real challans never work like this. How to check real e-Challans safely? If you genuinely want to check if any challan exists, use the official government challan portal. Type the website address manually in your browser or use the verified apps only from Play Store or App Store. Never trust links sent via SMS. So what to do if you receive such an SMS? If you get such a message, do not click the link, do not install anything, delete the message, block the number. If you already clicked accidentally, immediately uninstall the app, turn off mobile data, change your UPI and banking pins. Friends, scams today don't look fake. They look real, professional and convincing. Awareness is our only protection. Please share this video with your family, parents and friends, especially those who may not be very tech savvy. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Mithun Diaries. Let's stay alert, stay informed and protect our hard-earned money. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.